Is it possible to get a condo in the popular and vibrant artistic area in Toronto's Distillery District with a lake view for less than $650,000? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, I'm going to show a condo in the east part of downtown Toronto, the famous Distillery District. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at this condo. We are in the Distillery District. There is a literature and art atmosphere in this neighborhood. On my right, there is a closet with the washer and dryer. Behind the door is a storage room. This condo has been renovated. The kitchen is open concept. The cabinets and countertop are from the basic package from the condo developer. The countertop is laminate, but it's clean and functional, although there is some room for upgrades. The floor is totally new. On the other side of the kitchen, there is a dining area. There is a pretty big living room with a view to the south. We can see far away the Gatineau Express and Lake Ontario. There is a 40 square feet terrace. Now I'm on the terrace. Once again, we're in the Distillery District. Lake Ontario is in the background, and the horizontal row is the Gatineau Express. On the right, we can even see the CN Tower. What a nice skyline. We're in the fall season, so the view is really nice. The den is pretty big. It's about 60 square feet. In older buildings, dens are big. And with this window terrace, it could be easily used as a bedroom. The master bedroom is also facing south. The condo is very bright and the bedroom has a lake view too. It's at least 170 square feet. It's quite big. In newer buildings, it's rare to find such a big bedroom. That's the advantage of older buildings. For the same price, we have a much larger living area. There is a walk-in closet. In this condo, there's only one washroom. The size is good. There is a bathtub. Let's have a last look from this angle. Dining room, kitchen, living room, and the den. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.